Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 24th to 28th August 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened during a momentum in GBP USD. So here let's see what happened on Friday first. So here 0.07% positive move. 1.36377 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen coming week according to my analysis and previous week momentum. So let's check a weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a big body and a tiny lower wick and a medium upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 74.89 level, which is indicating as a slight negative momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or the indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair like any news or important events and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So yeah, this is a one-day chart currently. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here as you can see, some important support zones and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. These previous levels are very much sufficient for this week analysis. So let's talk about the closing first. So here 1.36377 is the closing. Here the direct support is 1.36352. Direct resistance is 1.36511. After direct support, there is a support of 1.36129 and then 1.35862. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.3669 and then 1.36848. These are two important support zones and resistance zones which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So do mark these levels as well on your chart. Also, if you want to learn trading for absolutely free, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will help you or I will guide you on how you can learn trading from me without any payment or without no cost. Also, these sessions will be live, so these sessions will be conducted during our weekends, which is absolutely free. So do, if you want to know more about it, you can contact me directly on my WhatsApp number. I will share you the details of everything. Also, if you don't have enough capital but you still want to trade in forex market, then I already shared Propform links in the description where you can open your account and get funding, where you can trade forex market and you can earn profits from 80-20 split. So if you're interested or want to know more about it, you can still contact me on my WhatsApp number. Now let's talk about my opinion in GBP USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I am expecting a negative move in this end, that is 1.36129 to 1.36352. I'm expecting a negative move. Even I am expecting a fall till this level as well, but we will only go for a long or a short once we see a confirmation candle. So here if you're going for any long trade, so here you need to wait for a 1.36511 level gets breached with a 4 or a 1-day candle closing. If you're going for any swing trade or a positional trade, then you can wait for this level to get breached, and then once 4-hour candle closes above it or 1-day candle closes above it, that is a confirmation candle which says that it will go further high. So you can target this level. Even you can wait for this level by trailing a stop loss. I will also, even though my expectation is in negative, I will still wait for a confirmation candle once the level 1.36352 gets breached with a 4-hour 1-day candle closing. I will go for a short till this level. Even will wait for this level as well. So here my expectation is a bit negative in GBP USD for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.